Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to uninstall Flash Player on Mac. Open Safari browser. Copy URL from description and paste it into browser search bar. Open Downloads. Click Uninstall Flash Player osx.dmg. Click Adobe Flash Player Uninstaller. Click Open. Click Uninstall. Type password. Click Install Helper. Click Done. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.